Why am I so short? Come on! I'm so afraid right now. Yeah, I'm gonna look ahead, gauge the door. I'm not second guess any of this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it again! Okay, I'm gonna look at you. You just like look at me. Ah, you're looking good. Okay. I just took it right in the face. Oh. Hey, it can't get going. What do you think?
I went sort of straight up and then I stayed on the outside, but it'll make your left foot, you won't have
I won't be able to touch, yeah. It's
another route. Right underneath the foot peg. Okay.
Cool. You should get the winch out for the video.
I got nowhere to be.
Let's set up a shot.
Okay.
Okay, special feature today. Let's say Scott's riding by himself. Well, no. Let's say that Pierce is weak, which he's not. And Scott's dumb, which he is. And we got to get up this and we can't get up. So we're going to take out a little winch system. This will be fun. Okay, stay tuned. I got to open up all this stuff. This is the green chili. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Turn off the bike. It's a bunch of cam units. It'll lock as you pull. There might even be a laminated instruction card in there, unless I threw that away like a dummy. Nope, it's not in there. Oops. Well, one end you hook onto the tree and the other one you hook onto the bike. Let's get set up. And the final stages of attaching this puppy. You gonna be able to go around both fork tubes or just one?
I think so. Oh yeah, we'll have enough for both.
Nice. So how do you want to do this? Should we just maybe even go in neutral and not even turn the bike on? See how...
Yeah, sure. Why not? You just steer.
I'm just going to steer. I'll take it up. I'm just going to pull in the clutch.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. We're really moving. Okay, now you got a job ahead of you. Engage the Pierce. Yeah. Do you want me to drive forward a little bit?
Sure.
Okay, let me put the camera on here.
Hold on.
Okay. Exercise. I could be a power and help a little bit. Height limitations. Nice.
All right, you're probably going to want to try and steer.
Cool, man. It don't want to go.
So it's not enough to pull the rear wheel up over the reach.
So what about making, tying off a bite so there's a handle up there, yeah, and then give me the other end. So like as I'm pulling, I'm not tightening around your hand or anything, but I can pull from here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try both pulling. All right. Yeah. Yeah. It's working great. Whoa. Shortness. There, I think we're out. What do you think?
That's you're on top.
We did it! Now I am in neutral, so don't do anything funky. Thanks, buddy. Well, that was the green chili. I'd say that worked really well. It takes longer, and we could have just pulled it up probably. But it was safe. And it's fun to play with gear. Would you like me to do that? You're doing all the hard stuff.
Yeah. I'm here.
It's quite a hill here. I'm gonna give it a shot though. Nice. Fun. That's going to be a slimy mess down there. That's what we were going to come up, so spin it around and go play. We're stopping, Pierce. Might as well see how slow I can go. Test the skills. I'll just look ahead and let her buck. Scotty. Just trying to keep the revs low so I get the traction I need to get up these bad boys. Yeah, we're gonna go around this route. Good. Stay calm, right? Oh! Scott's out of control. Hi. Clutch hand got a little tight there. Yeah. So I just let go and let her buck.
There's a lot of roots there.
Yeah. Steppy. Yeah, baby. Isn't this great terrain? Fantastic. Oh, it's too bad Andrew can't be with us today. He'd be having a good time. He doesn't really have the bike right now though. He's got the 501, which, you know, he'd be ripping circles around us. Gotta get that 890, get her built up. A little bit of a drop right here. Scares me. The safe way. There's a bit of an A line here. Right there. We're not going to take it. Let's do this the extra safe way. You okay, Pierce? He's a little less clearance. He might be hung up back there. Ooh. Come on. Huh? You like? You gonna take the A line? Africa Twin blows up Instagram, blows up the gram. I film you. Pretty cool, huh?
It looks like there's enough clearance.
Yeah, well, there's a line. The hard dot lines need love too, and you're giving them the love. Okay, just the move right here. Yeah, baby. Crunchy. Something went crunchy right there. Still have a foot peg? All right. It takes a licking but keeps on ticking.
You meet the nicest rocks on a Honda.
Oh, I hope we're not stuck down in the bottom of a super psycho hill to get up. I would not want to have to turn around and go back up. Speaking of going up, nice one, eh? I don't want to screw up the trail.
That's that tire.
Huh. I'll turn this up to full traction intervention.
You want me to
Push down?
pull you back out of the...
Oh yeah, please.
Okay.
I might. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Ready?
Ready, set, go. Wonderfully done. Did I get you? I'll be right back to help. Woo! Do it. Yeah, baby. It's a not so bad. It's a nicer place. Big loose rocks. Ah. Oh. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do, just go. Well, hey, if you have a moment and you think this riding looks pretty good here, and you don't live impossibly far away, go check out the Adventure Bike Gathering website. It's just at theadventurebikegathering.com. You can see a lot of our routes, all our videos of all the routes. You can see who's stepped up to give away prizes, draw prizes for people this year. We usually get a pretty good batch of companies giving us stuff. Certainly appreciate it. I don't get to keep any of it though. So thanks for giving it to us. I'll promote it and I'll give it to other people. How's that sound? Don't touch the ground. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. That's nice. This area is a little hairy in here. Yeah, it's in September every year. This will be our 5th year, I think. And every year it grows a little bit. This year it might actually be quite big, in that the COVID concerns are so much lower now. It's just great. No charge to the event. Show up, go ride. What you doing?
Flat.
Hmm?
Blue flat.
Blue.
I just was asking what color you wanted your bruises to be.
Oh, I'm going to be black and blue at the end of today. This is a really good example of some of the trails that we have here that are on the easy end. So we've got some steepness to it. It's a little bit loose, a little bit dusty. Occasional route. We'd call this a 2. And with a little bit of skill, decent bike, have a lot of fun. Who wants to hit some jumps, dude? Super sweet. This trail has such great flow. And then it's got some big roots. I don't think I want to be in Pierce's dust when I hit those. Here we go. Hi. You got twisted up. You got twisted up. I have nothing on my back today, and I am loving it. Yesterday I rode with a butt bag. Meh. Didn't love it. I did have lots of water there, which is nice, but yeah, if I can go with nothing on my back, put it on the bike, I'm down with that. I know a lot of people disagree. I've tried both. Yes, I can feel the weight on the bike, and sometimes it feels like the tail's wagging the dog, especially if the weight's up high, like in my top roll. But I keep that really light. All my heavy stuff, like my tools and tubes, they're low down. Will Pierce make it to the hard line? How does he know about the gigantic route? He did. I almost didn't make it. Jeez. I'm all over my clutch right now. Just let it go, man. There. Got a little out of shape there. You guys probably can't even see because of the dust, but it's a little gnar. Yeah, baby. Okay, here we go. Into Plumber's Butt. I haven't been here yet this year. Don't know what to expect. Taking a dab, 2 dabs, 3 dabs. Oh. It was a little bit chunky, but not bad. Whoa! What a fun day. Well, I think that's it. Home time. I'm gonna go for a mountain bike this afternoon. Talk about living the dream. Love it here. Hope to see you guys out here in September for the Adventure Bike Gathering. It's 15th, 16th, and 17th. Well, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah! Nice one.